In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when the volume is too low on your Samsung phone so you can get the max volume out of it. So the first thing you want to do is go to settings and scroll down, and we're going to select sounds and vibration. Now once you're here, we're going to scroll down and go to volume. And from here, you're able to adjust the volume for your ringtone, media, notifications, and system. Now if you select the three dots in the top right corner, you'll also be able to access the media volume limit. So I recommend you turn this off if you want to get the max volume possible when you're using your headphones or a Bluetooth audio device. And if we go back and scroll down, you'll also be able to adjust the sound quality and effects. Now, when it comes to these settings, it's very much going to be personal preference. Feel free to copy my settings or adjust them as you'd like. And now on the home screen, press the up or down volume button. And if you have a look, you'll see three dots at the top of where you see the volume bar. And when you select that, you'll be able to adjust all these individual settings that we looked at before just faster. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.